Hey everybody, what's going on? Bruce Batty here, doing my brief discussion on Facebook Live, the tool I've chosen for this week's blog post and discussion. The main thing I wanted to talk about this tool was how to sort of get it set up and get it up and running on your own Facebook page. It can be kind of a challenge, particularly if you're using the PC, so that's the walkthrough I'm going to do today. Facebook Live is a fantastic tool. It's wonderful for streaming live events in real time, particularly from a social media marketing perspective. You can stream these events and you can engage your viewers and react to comments in real time. One of my favorite things is your viewers can sort of respond to your live stream with their emojis that kind of float across the screen. But the main thing I'm going to talk about today, I cover all that in the written part of the blog post. The main thing I want to talk about today is actually getting it set up. So I'm going to sort of walk through it. I have my page right here for Campo Felice that I've been sort of working on. It's my wife's company. I've been working on some of the social media elements for them for a while. So what I'm going to talk about here is, and what I'm going to walk you through is basically the overview on how to set it up. So the main prereqs are right here. Obviously, you need to encode it, especially if you're doing it on a PC. So Livestream, OBS, Wirecast, etc. I'm using OBS for my PC. Facebook Live is really a tool designed for Android, iOS, iPhones, etc. Using it on PC can be a little bit challenging. The upside is it creates really fantastic professional quality video. Recent updates I've heard in the works are 360-degree video broadcasting, which should be really neat, particularly for concerts and large events. So to set it up, go to your Facebook page and select the publishing tools in the navigation bar. Click on Video Library, click on the Plus Live button. So I'm going to show you that on my page. So I'll go to my publishing tools here. Maybe. There we go. Try it one more time. Why would my computer cooperate while I'm doing this? Go to Videos. And we'll click over here at Live. And so we end up with this right here. So this is my server stream, my URL, my server URL, and my stream key. These are the components I'm going to need to get it up and running on my platform that I'm using for my PC is Open Broadcast Software, and I'll show you that in a second. So once you have that section done, you create the video and you get everything going. Basically, you have to copy paste those keys into the settings switch here. Let's see. So down here you can see, and I've had mine set up. This is already set up and ready to go. Hi everybody. You have your settings tool down here. So on your settings, you pull up your stream, and there I have my URL and my stream key set up to do my live streaming broadcast. So I'll cancel that and X out of that, and we'll go back to this page right here. So you go to the live button, you create your video. You have all the stream keys, pretty much everything I just showed you. You can set up, you restrict your audience once it's up and running on Facebook, once you have live up. Hopefully nobody in this class is going to do any marketing that involves age restrictions, not safe for work type stuff. Create the handshake. That's where your Facebook Live app will connect with your streaming tool. Like I said, I'm using Open Broadcast Software, OBS. It seems to work pretty good with the PC. Go to the Advanced tab, you create your video. Now you can go live right then, or you can schedule a live post. One of the great things about Facebook Live is you can schedule your post for later. It's a good way to sort of get the word out there that you're about to do something. You can boost it using some of the Facebook boosting tools as well. So here it says, right, you can build anticipation and buzz with that. which is great. While your video is live, you can monitor the number of viewers, the total views, and then you have all those neat comments, and you can respond directly. Once your post is finished, it'll go into your video library, and you can hang on to it. So this is kind of an important part that I thought was interesting. The specs involved if you're running it. So you need 720p max resolution at 30 frames per second. It's actually fairly critical, and your max bit rate is 4,000 kilobytes per second. These are things that don't seem important, but they'll really affect the quality of the video and how well it uploads, etc., how well it streams. Video length, 240-minute maximum length. You probably don't want to go that long. Honestly, nobody's going to watch a video for that long usually. But it depends on your event, depends on what you're doing. So troubleshooting, hopefully that doesn't happen, but Facebook provides a lot of tools to help with that. There's probably a big one that most people run into. The connection terminates while they're doing it. So simple solution, have a reliable internet connection. This is a big deal, by the way, when you're utilizing your iPhone or your Android device to do live streaming. If you're out in the field, particularly if you're working on something, a pretty major marketing event, make sure you have a good internet connection. If you lose that, it kind of fouls up everything. So that's sort of the basics. I could obviously talk about this for a very long time. It's a pretty in-depth thing, but I wanted to just sort of cover some of the essentials of it. There's some analytics that come with it. We don't really have a ton of them right now, but we have some real basic stuff. I don't have any, haven't done any of my live events yet, so I don't have anything to show you. But anyway, that's my quick post on Facebook Live. I hope you all enjoyed my blog. Lastly, I've really enjoyed this class with everybody, and I hope to see you all in the future. And thank you, Professor O'Callahan. This has been a great, great experience.